Subtraction has always felt more difficult than it should be. The constant borrowing and carrying can feel tedious and frustrating. So I started wondering, is there a simpler mental way to subtract without all the hassle? That question led me to develop a mental method of my own. It's a way to turn tricky subtraction into easier addition. Let me walk you through it. Let's try this example. Start with the ones digit. To get from 7 to 10, you add 3. Then 3 plus 4 equals 7. To get from 8 to 9, add 1. Then 1 plus 6 equals 7. 1 to 9, add 8. 8 plus 4 equals 12. 5 to 9, add 4. 4 plus 3 equals 7. Plus 1 carried over equals 8. Last one, 5 minus 4 equals 1. Be careful, it's not 6 minus 4. That gives you the final answer. Let's check. Add this result to this number. You get this original number. It works. One more example. Start with the ones digit. To get from 9 to 10, you add 1. 1 plus 4 equals 5. To get from 7 to 9, add 2. From this digit, you look for what makes 9. And then 2 plus 6 equals 8. 5 to 9, add 4. 4 plus 8 equals 12. 6 to 9, add 3. 3 plus 5 equals 8. Plus carry equals 9. 0 to 9, add 9. 9 plus 7 equals 16. 7 to 9, add 2. 2 plus 0 equals 2. Plus carry equals 3. 8 to 9, add 1. 1 plus 3 equals 4. Last one, 5 minus 3 equals 2. That's the answer. Add it to this number and you get the original number. Perfect. Let me explain the logic behind this method. The hard part of subtraction is when you subtract a larger digit from a smaller one. That's when borrowing happens. But if you simulate borrowing in advance for every digit, it simplifies things. Here's the trick. Imagine you borrow 1 from the leftmost digit. Then you add 10 to the ones digit and 9 to all the other digits in between. Now subtract each digit of this number from this adjusted number. That's the first step. Then simply add each digit of this number back to that result. For the leftmost digit, subtract this number from a number less than 1. That's the answer. This is the method I came up with. This method is mathematically equivalent to regular subtraction, but it reframes the process using easier steps that feel more natural in your head. That made subtraction much easier and faster. Once you get used to this method, you can even apply it partially. Take a look at this subtraction. You only need to use our method on the part where smaller numbers are subtracted from larger ones. That way, the subtraction becomes faster. What do you think? If you have a better method, please share it. Thanks for watching. Did you enjoy math traveling? Please subscribe for the next trip.